Now, if I come across and look at the NQ, this is let's go to the 4-hour chart. It's messy stuff up here. I can make a case for that being all of this one, but having not come down so deep, I'm wondering in the NQ whether this is the 4 and we pop up here and get the 1 and then the 2. So again, a bit more price action, but while we remain over 73.93 in the NQ, I'm still expecting the target, the patterns to play out as we have them as an impulse, with the targets to the upside remaining intact. The Dow Jones, meanwhile, continues to play out picture perfect. I'm still looking for the move up here to this 1618 at 27,171 next. I think this fifth is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's just playing out as an ending diagonal for the final fifth of this. And the 4 can come down deeper as long as we hold 26,548. Then I'm still expecting another high to finish this 3 of 3 of 3 in the Dow Jones. Okay,